Identity Guard Credit Repair Honest Review. Watch before using. Links to products were added to the description. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how Identity Guard works, what it offers, and whether it's actually worth it if you're trying to improve and protect your credit profile. First, it's important to understand that Identity Guard is not a traditional credit repair company that files disputes for you. Instead, it's an identity theft protection and credit monitoring platform designed to help you track your credit, detect fraud early, and make smarter financial decisions using real data. One of the main features of Identity Guard is its credit monitoring system. Depending on the plan, you'll get access to one or all three major credit bureaus, including Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. This allows you to see a full picture of your credit profile, which is essential if you want to identify errors, track your score, and understand what's impacting your credit. You also receive regular score updates and detailed reports, helping you monitor progress over time. Another standout feature is real-time alerts. Identity Guard continuously monitors your credit file and personal information, notifying you of new accounts, hard inquiries, or suspicious activity. This is critical for both credit management and identity protection, as it allows you to respond quickly before small issues become major problems. The platform also includes dark web monitoring, data breach alerts, and identity theft insurance, which adds an extra layer of financial protection. What makes Identity Guard different from basic monitoring services is its use of AI-powered technology. It analyzes your financial behavior and activity patterns to identify potential threats and provide personalized insights. Alongside this, you get credit score tools and recommendations that help you understand how actions like paying down balances or reducing credit utilization can improve your score. However, like most monitoring services, you'll need to handle disputes yourself if you find inaccuracies. In terms of usability, Identity Guard is designed for simplicity. The dashboard is clean, easy to navigate, and provides all key information in one place. Whether you're a beginner trying to build credit or someone focused on protecting an established profile, the platform makes it easy to stay informed and in control. Overall, Identity Guard is best for users who want a combination of credit monitoring and strong identity protection rather than full-service credit repair. If your goal is to stay on top of your credit, prevent fraud, and make data-driven improvements, it's a solid choice. But if you're looking for a hands-off service that disputes items for you, this may not be the right fit.